That was funny.
I was just wondering if I could go climb that dune over there.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Richard with Santa Rosa Jeeps. We are doing a little cruise from Milton down to Navarre. We're gonna stop in Navarre and grab something to eat and then ride along the beach. Unfortunately, here in the Panhandle, you can't drive on the beach, but you can ride along the beach and then we'll stop down there somewhere. We got about 8 Jeeps here so far. So let's get on with it.
Oh, he was so mad.
I gotta see. I gotta see.
What are you doing?
With the mount on.
Oh. No flag today?
No. Because I was like, oh, the flag's gonna get in the way of the video.
Oh my goodness.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even eyes? Do you even leave now? Make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get
what you're drinking. 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.
All right, we're here at TC's front porch. We're gonna get us some food and see what they got here. Never been here before, so be nice to try something different. That was funny.
I was just wondering if I could go climb that dune over there.
Well, we had dinner at TC's front porch. Was pretty good. It's a definitely go back to. Now we're on the beach, I guess you could say, as close as we can get to the beach. So once we get to a spot to stop, we'll pick back up the camera, I guess. Yeah, I guess, maybe.
Yep.
right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in again. I think this is going to wrap it up. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And we'll see you next time.